looked off it though, it sounds fucking...
Don't be slug. Sorry, bro.
I might move my car over there next to that Type R.
Next to Civic. Next to Civic Type R. Rapid.
Yeah, with this car...
God, son! Give me fucking beans.
Bit mean, son.
Fucking money. Oh, he's fucking faggot, isn't he?
Same bit there. Do you reckon he's got it?
Honestly, if I grab out and none of these fuckers take a picture of me now.
Got him, lad. Got him. Banging two people, Jenny blanked on it.
Cheese!
Fucking up and everything.
Granny on float.
Fucking hell. That's a nice yellow, that.
I'll tell you what, you never see. Waste that time.
Whoa, she's clean.
See the beach spot back there, all the money.
Oh my god. It's an Up GTI. Oh, you ever seen one of them bad boys before? Look at that. Ooh. She's clean. Sunroof open. Can we get in it? Just a girl. She's back.
Give it the beat.
Only been sold off.
Beard and just
Oh.
the face, it looks weird as
I
fuck.
need to get rid of it. I'll just wait till I fucking have a fresh trim.
Gay boys. Shit. Sorry. Can't put on YouTube, can you?
Yeah, boy.
Exhaust almost touching fucking floor. Big 5-inch tip, lad. Sounds like a fucking tip on your bike.
GTR's coming.
Yeah, man. You got best ones, these, man.
All carbon fibered bonnet and wings. Look at that beast. Come on, lads. Fucking what a sausage.
Oh, the Corvette, yeah, man.
What a sausage.
Oh, he's definitely gonna bet it in.
Oh, you fucking have cheese.
Oh, what a belly.
Oh, they're all going that way, aren't they?
It's Corvette, that's not me. No, he's coming this way,
Give me some.
Hey, I'll turn around if I was you. That is a fucking sick whip, that. Oh, look at everyone looking at it. Oh my days, what the fucking hell.
What video?
Yeah, that is quick. That is rapid. Rapid. Oh, floater.
Pussy.
What a fucking binhead.
Fucking wasting all my storage here.
It's not even on. Oh, it is. Oh, cinematics. Aaron's pulling up on the scene. VRS tack. Go on, like, give it beans, give it beans.
Popcorn limited.
Is that your whip there? La Lamborghini. You know that. Rapid.
Yeah, with this car.
Oh, Watson! Give me fucking beans.
Bit mean, so.
Ah, he's fucking faggot, isn't he?
Send it, lad. Reckon he's got it?
Driving past 5.
got him, lad. Got him. Banging two people, getting thanked on it.
Schmo. Jeez!
Fucking up and everything.
Granny on float.
Fucking hell.
Kijk, die zou